Hey crew, today's video will be a tuna salad and we'll be also featuring a 8-inch chef knife by Fzkaly. And here are the ingredients we'll be using for the tuna salad: romaine lettuce, tomatoes, red onion, salt, ground black pepper, zesty Italian dressing, hamburger dill chips. And if you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Let's get into our tuna salad video. Okay, crew, so here I'm just opening up the box of the 8-inch chef knife from Fzkaly. And I really love this knife, and I want to thank them for sending me the knife. And I promise I'm not going to bore y'all to death. So right here is just the manual for the knife. So next will be the microfiber cleaning cloth that I will be showing y'all. And it was really nice. So we're about to get into the knife, and once again, I truly love this knife, and it's very sharp. And also, I'm just going to be showing y'all some of the features of this 8-inch chef knife by Fzkaly. Okay, with this knife, it's premium stainless steel, and I love that it has the 3 prongs in the handle, and it holds really good, like it conforms to your hand. And like I said, once again, it is super sharp, and it just glides through meat and vegetables. And I will be showing y'all a quick little footage of me slicing chicken. Then I will move on to the cutting footage for our tuna salad. So y'all please stay tuned. Okay, so we're about to move right along into the cutting footage. And y'all will see that this knife just glides through the meat without a problem. I don't have to apply much pressure, so therefore it's super sharp. And I also will have a discount code for y'all in the description box that will save y'all 10% if y'all interested in getting this 8-inch chef knife by Fzkaly. Okay, crew, so we're going to get into cutting our vegetables for our tuna salad. Once again, I say we have romaine lettuce, tomatoes, red onions, and we'll be using pickles, zesty Italian dressing, salt, pepper, and tuna for our tuna salad. And I didn't show making the tuna salad on camera because I made it a couple days ahead of time. So y'all can just make y'all tuna the way y'all would like it. All we put in our tuna is mayonnaise, a little mustard, salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, a little sugar, and sweet pickle relish. And y'all will see here that the knife just glides right through the vegetables. Like I said, this knife is super sharp and I love it. And I just thank Fzkaly for reaching out to me and giving me the opportunity to review this knife. Alright, crew, so you know if you have a sharp knife or not. Coming up, we're going to cut the tomato, and you know if you have a dull knife, it will pierce the tomato and it will make the tomato bleed. So here you will see that it doesn't make the tomato bleed and it slides right on through the tomato. So this knife is super sharp. All right, so moving right along, we're gonna cut up our red onion. And I promise, I'm not gonna bore y'all to death. We're gonna cut up this red onion, then we're gonna jump right into making the tuna salad. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself.
myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it.
Okay, so let's get into the good part of the video. We're gonna make our tuna salad. I'm gonna start by placing the lettuce on the plate, and once I place the lettuce on the plate, we're gonna go in with our red onions, purple onions, whatever you want to call them. But I think the onions add a nice flavor to the salad. And we're not gonna put a whole bunch of onions on there. Now we're gonna move along to our tomatoes, and we're gonna spread them out over the salad. And trust me, please add a little salt and pepper to your tomatoes. Just don't over season them. But y'all will see coming up that I'm gonna add regular salt and some black pepper to the tomatoes. Then after that, I'm gonna go in with my hamburger dill pickles. And the pickles give it a nice tang and acidity to the salad. And I promise y'all would not be mad. If you don't eat pickles or red onions, you don't have to add it to your salad. But trust me, it is really good. Okay, so I'm about to place the last pickle, and now we're jumping into adding the tuna to our salad. Yes, I add the tuna, then I turn around and add the zesty Italian dressing. I could have added the dressing then the tuna, but hey, everybody do it their way. I'm about to add the zesty Italian dressing. Then once I add it, I'm gonna give y'all that close up of our tuna salad. And here we have our close up of our tuna salad. Don't that look good? I promise y'all it's so delicious, and I'm about to give y'all a taste test. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, so here goes our tuna salad, and I'm gonna give it a taste for y'all, then we're gonna close out the video. And please don't forget to like and comment on the video, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell and set post notifications to all. That way you're notified when I upload a video. Let's try out this tuna salad. Let y'all get the first bite. There you go, get your bite. It's so good, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Peace.